The curriculum has certain mathematical process expectations, of which communication is certainly a very important process. We'll be looking at communicating in the linear equation environment. Now the description reads as follows. Students will communicate mathematical thinking orally. In other words, you need to explain it verbally using words without writing anything down. You need to be able to get your idea across of the techniques and the equation that you're busy with to another person, visually using pictures or graphs, and in writing, obviously, using mathematical vocabulary. Now let's just stop with that word for a few seconds. If you look at an equation such as, for instance, x plus 2 is equal to 4, you need to call the x a variable. That's the mathematical vocabulary that they are referring to. You need to be confident with numerators and denominators if you are referring to fractions in an equation, for instance. The mathematical vocabulary in the communication or the communicating process is very important. And then a variety of appropriate representations, like we said before, might be graphs, it might be sketches, it might be a diagram of some sort, and observing mathematical conventions. Mathematical conventions meaning you have to indicate your results in a mathematically correct way. And just something that we can look at, for instance, if your equation, say, looked like this, x plus 3 over x is equal to 4. This would not be a linear equation. This is another type of equation altogether. But what you need to observe is that the denominator can never be equal to 0. That is a mathematical convention. So you need to understand that your answer should exclude 0. X can be whatever it is, but it cannot be 0. That's a mathematical convention. And obviously there are a lot more mathematical conventions that you'll learn about in the curriculum itself, in the course of your studies. But the communicating process is very important to always keep in the back of your mind, especially coming back to that one very important word there, the mathematical vocabulary. You need to understand and know the various words and their descriptions and their names in mathematics.